Hey guys, so I'll keep this short and simple. This video is how to fix the Quaternion error when trying to animate skeleton 3D bones in Godot. Specifically, the end Quaternion must be normalized issue. So to fix this, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to go to animation. I'm going to select my skeleton 3D. I'm going to select the bone I want to animate. Let's say this one. What I'm going to do is hit the pencil icon on rotation with my bone selected. So I'm going to hit that pencil. It's going to open up this temporary Euler setting here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to lock in the position, and I'm going to lock in the rotation. Let's move 2 seconds in. To edit the rotation, you have to do it through this temporary Euler. So let's move the X. Let's just do it here. So it's easier. So let's lock in that position at 2 seconds, hit save, and I'll run this animation. So that's how you fix it. It all has to do with just that pencil icon. So that should address the Quaternion issue. I just scrolled up to show you guys an example, but as you can see, I don't have any more of that errors anymore.